All right, Language Explorer. So let's have a look at today's commonly confused words. So subject, subjective, and subjugate. So subject, a topic you learn about, something to talk about, a theme. This is an interesting subject. English is a subject you learn at school. I can talk about any subject. I know a lot of things. How cool is that? English is a subject. Science was his best subject. He liked learning about that subject. It helped him to learn and understand the world better and more. Yeah, how cool is that? But subjective is different opinions about the same thing. So art is very subjective. Is very subjective because two people can have a different opinion about the same picture. We're subjective. A lot of things in life is subjective, so people can have different opinions on it. Yeah. Art is very subjective. Science is not subjective. Subjective. It is objective, either yes or no. But subjective, yes, maybe, not quite exactly. Sometimes, not really, no. It's a spectrum. But objective, yes or no. Subjective is in the middle, maybe, this, that, yes, not quite, depends sometimes. Yeah. Their opinions are their own, and it's all subjective. Yes, very good, yeah. This book is open. This book is very subjective, as some people agree with it and others disagree. Some people like it, some people don't. Some are okay, and in between, all over the place. But subjugate, to enslave someone, so work for you. So let's have a look. Slave. Okay. Here we are. Subjugate. Do you think they will subjugate the city? Yes. Hundreds of years ago, all throughout history, people were being subjugated. Yeah. By invading armies. How cool is that? Yeah. How cool is that? A lot of people were subjugated back in history. Yeah. A lot of people were chained and enslaved. Yeah. The subjugation was common. Subjugation was common. Subjugation was common in human history. Yeah. So, subject, the topic you can talk or learn about. Science is a topic. Science is a subject. This book has an interesting subject. Okay. But subjective, different opinions. My opinion is different from your opinion. his opinion is different from his opinion. So one thing can be seen in different ways by different people. And subjugate, to enslave people so they work for you, subjugated and starving. How cool is that, language explorers? So can you use subject, subject, subjective and subjugate in a sentence? Can you write them in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel, more videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me by searching English with Adrian on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram, as well as on Udemy by searching for Adrian Nanchev. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.